Welcome to Hyundai family. This video will provide you the information about Hyundai's first Smart Auto technology. Hyundai Smart Auto comes with latest version of electronic actuators. AMT provides better fuel efficiency and less human fatigue. In city drive, AMT provides better drive comfort with less human effort. Let's see how to use AMT effectively. To move forward, depress brake pedal fully while shifting gear lever to drive mode. To drive in required gears, shift lever from drive to manual mode. For better fuel efficiency, use always drive mode. While using manual mode, prefer cluster gear indicator and change gears for better fuel efficiency and pickup. Accelerate gradually in drive mode for smooth pickup. Creep function helps in city drive condition. There will be a slight forward movement in drive mode without acceleration. In uphill condition, apart from handbrake, creep function also holds the vehicle from rollback. While shifting to reverse gear, stop the vehicle completely and press the brake pedal and gear shift lever button before shifting. Ensure lever in neutral position and brake pedal fully depressed to start the vehicle. On shifting gears without pressing brake pedal, chime sound will be heard as a warning notification. In such cases, depress brake pedal and release before warning stops. Thank you. Hyundai wishes you a safe and happy motoring.
Hyundai.